Yes, ma'am.
Who knows what is a fist bump?
Ma'am, I
don't
know.
know. I don't know.
Ma'am, I know.
Who knows a fist bump? Show a fist bump.
Miss, no.
Sahir knows. This is a fist bump. Okay, we are doing a virtual fist bump. Okay, we are not going to do high five and we are not going to say any hellos, but we are going to do fist bumps. Okay, so our first activity is on the basis of fist bumps. Okay, I am going to share my screen and let's try if we can do this one. Okay, I would want everyone to please be on mute. Okay. Okay. So the first activity is we have to count the number of fist bumps. Okay. In the first activity, we have only 2 children. Okay. Simran ma'am, are you here? I think she's not here. It's okay. So we have 2 children. Okay. And they give fist bump to each other. Can anyone take a guess how many fist bumps happened?
Ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am, I think 2.
Okay. You think 2. Why do you think so?
Ma'am, because there are one children and one give a fist bump to another and another give one fist bump to another.
Okay, okay. So Arihan says that when 2 children are doing fist bumps, 2 fist bumps happen. One child is giving fist bump to the other child, and then the same is happening, right? This is Arihan's answer. Does anyone have a different answer?
Ma'am, I have one.
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, there's only one fist bump because when 2 children do it together, it makes one. It's
2
not
children
alone.
do it together, it makes 1 because only 1 fist bump is happening. 1 is doing to the second and second is doing to the 1. Okay, is that clear? Okay,
Yes.
that is the correct answer. Yes, Sahir.
Ma'am, it can also be unlimited. Like they can do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many times they
Yeah,
want
they can
to.
keep on doing till night also. But if I say that we have to, they do fist bump only once, that is the rule. So how many fist bumps happen? That means there is only 1 fist bump that happened. Okay. Now one more child joins them. Okay. I'm going to take 3 children here: Sahir, Advitya, and Arihant. Okay. Three kids met and they give fist bumps to each other. I want all of you to tell me how many fist bumps happened.
Ma'am, 1. Ma'am, 1.
Okay. I think we need to clear the rule first. The rule is they give fist bump to each other one by one. Okay. So Sahir gives fist bump to Advitya. Then Sahir gives fist bump to Arihant. Okay. So can
Ma'am,
you
3.
tell? How do you know that, Sahir?
Ma'am, because if one person like I'm Sahir and Advitya is there, so I give to Advitya, then Advitya gives to Arihant, so it will be 2. Then Arihant gives to me.
Very good. Very good. Okay, Viraj, did you want to say anything? I saw your hand.
Ma'am, there are 3 children, ma'am. So everyone will give 1, ma'am. So we'll get 3.
Yes. Yes.
Ma'am, that's
Correct. Okay, that is correct. Anyone has a different answer? Okay, everyone. Yes, Arna.
Ma'am, I think it's 2.
You think it's 2? How?
Because first, the first person gave with their 2 hands to the other 2 persons. Then the other person gave to them 2, and then the other person gave to them.
So you counted 3.
Oh.
Right? You only said that there are 3 chances, right? Okay. So when there were 2 children, 1 fist bump happened. When there are 3 children, 3 fist bumps happened. Okay. I want all of you to take a quick guess how many fist bumps will happen if there are 4 children. Okay. I am going.
2.
We have different answers. Okay. We have different
3.
answers.
3. 2.
4.
3. 2.
Okay. Okay, let's all of us show your answers by showing the number on your fingers. Okay, everyone is on mute. Just show your answer on your fingers. Like Sahir is saying 4, Alia says 4, Tanvi says 4. Arihan says 4. Ayana Han says 3. Arna 4. Divyanshu 1. Mishka 4. Divisha very good. Samaira, Manisha, Tanishka. Then Mugdha says 6. Okay. So we have these many hands up. Okay, now everyone can put their hands down. I'm going to come to everyone. Okay. And then let's ask each other the reasons. Okay. Okay. Simran ma'am, do you want to share your screen?
Yeah,
And
one
combinations?
Okay, we were on 3 kids, right?
So we have taken 4 children now. We are done with 3. We have taken 4 children. Okay.
Yes. So suppose we have 4 children. Let me write it here. Suppose the names of the kids are Kid A, Kid B, Kid C, and there is one more kid whose name is Kid D. So suppose let's start with Kid A. So Kid A is giving a fist bump to Kid B, Kid A with Kid C, Kid A with Kid D, right? Then we are moving to Kid B. Kid B with Kid A. Is it possible? Can I write Kid B with Kid A?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Quiet everyone. Quiet.
Yes, you
Okay.
can, because kid A and B are right next to each other, so easy. Ma'am, kid A and B has already done the fist bump.
Yes, Kid A and Kid B have already done the fist bump. So I cannot write Kid B and Kid A because it's already done. So can I write Kid B and Kid D?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it possible Kid B?
Yes, you can do this. Like I'm kid B, I can do this.
But we are giving fist bumps to each other. Aditya.
So not possible. Kid C.
Yes.
So
yes.
I'll write Kid C. And Kid
And Kid
B
D.
will be with Kid D also, right? Kid B with Kid C, Kid D with Kid D. Now let's move to Kid C. Kid C, Kid A. Is it already done? Kid C and
Yes,
Kid
ma'am.
A, done. Kid C and Kid D, it's already done. Kid C with Kid C, it's not possible. Then we'll move to Kid C and Kid D. Okay, so I have write some of the combinations. Now all of you please check, and you have to raise your hands. Okay, don't say collectively. You have to raise your hand and answer. Is there any other way also? I have written six combinations.
There is another way.
Okay, Advitya is saying there is another way. Yeah, please tell us.
You can instead there's another way that you can just do 4.
Okay.
How?
It'd be like a reaction. So first, kid A gives a fist bump to kid C. Not is kid C, kid B. Then kid B gives a fist bump to kid C, and kid D gives a fist bump to kid A, and that goes on forever. So that also results in infinite.
So Aditya wants to find a fist bump chain in which they are just giving fist bump to one another in a circle.
Yes.
But Aditya, all of them are good friends and they are going to give fist bumps to each other one by one. Okay, they are meeting after a very long time. So are we missing out on any combination here?
Yeah. Mama, I have. Another way would be to put it in 6-2 by doing diagonal.
Diagonal. Okay, but we have already covered that. Yes,
Mama, I have a way to know.
One
Mama,
by
I have a way.
one by one. Okay, we are going to be very nice to each other. Sahir raised his hand first. Okay, I know that everyone is raising their hands. I'm coming to one by one. Okay, Sahil, yes, what's your combination?
Ma'am, if like Advita said in the circle, if kid A gives to kid B, then kid B can give to kid C, then kid C can give to kid D. Then ma'am, after that, if we think that somebody has not given it, so kid A can also give to kid C, then kid A can give to kid D, then kid B can give to kid C, then kid B can give to kid D, then C can give to kid B.
Very good, very good. But
Right.
Sahil, I have a question for you. Have we covered all those combinations on the board? Can you find any missing combination?
Ma'am,
Yes, I am.
I have a way how to know that how many fist bombs have.
Yes, yes, tell us.
So like there are 5 people. We
Yes.
have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. Then we have to add all of that.
Okay, okay.
Because like there are 4 children, they are given 6 fist bombs. So if we count 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, like it's 6. So like that.
Yeah,
Ma'am,
that is a very interesting observation. Okay.
Ma'am, I know. So like
yes.
there are 5 children.
Hmm.
So the first one will give to the next 4.
Very
The
good.
second one will give to the next 3. The
Okay.
third one will give to the next 2. And the last one and the fourth one will give to the last one.
Very good. Can we all clap for Ayana Han? Wonderful observation.
Right. It's
Cool.
right.
Divyanshu, I've seen your hand, your and Neil's hand. I will come to you. But before that, I just want to tell everyone that Mugdha was the only one to give the correct answer in the first time. She already said that there will be 6 fist bumps. Okay, Mugdha, very good. Okay, now Divyanshu, you can tell your answer. What did you want to say?
You don't need to write these combinations. You can just simply minus 1 from 4, like subtract 1 from 4, then you get 3, and then add 2 and all the predecessors of it, like all the numbers lesser than it till 0.
Yes, yes, exactly what Ayana Han said. That's another way to put the pattern. Very good, Divyanshu. Wonderful. Anyone else wants to say anything? Should we move ahead?
Yes.
Let's move ahead. Ma'am, let's give them the next question.
The next question for you is, now we have 5 kids and now they are giving fist bumps to each other, and how many fist bumps will take place? You have
Okay,
to
now
find.
now everyone has 2 minutes. The first one will be the Divyanshu. Okay, Divyanshu wants to say something. Divyanshu is showing the answer to be 10. Okay, everyone gets a chance to say their answer, and then we will see who all are the correct ones.
No, ma'am, I'm Vihanger. Can I tell?
Yes, Vihan.
And the answer is
So the answer will be 25, ma'am.
Okay, you say the answer is 25. Divyanshu says the answer is 10. Simran ma'am, can you write all the answers?
Yes.
Ma'am, can I tell my answer?
Ma'am, can I tell my answer?
Ma'am, can I tell all?
All of you can tell your answers one by one.
Okay, let's talk to them. Okay. I can see everyone on my screen. Okay, I am going to go row wise. I am going to ask answers to everyone. Okay, so my first answer, I am going to ask this to Alia first. Alia, what is your answer? Just show your answer using your fingers.
25.
Alia says 25. Simran ma'am, just write down answers in your notebook. Okay. Tanvi, what is your answer?
25.
I'm 25.
Tanvi also says 25. Arihan, what is your answer?
One question.
Ma'am, my answer is 25.
Okay, 25. Sahir?
How many times they have done that? So they
25.
Okay, we have 4 answers till now. 25. Advitya, what is your answer?
He also
6.
Advitya says 6. Divyanshu?
paper to do yaar.
according to me the answer is 10.
Okay, Divyanshu says the answer is 10. Ayana Han, what is your answer?
15. 15. 1 5.
15. Okay, 15. Arna, what is
Is
your
it
answer?
the 5 kids one? Because then I know.
5 kids.
Yeah, there were 5 kids.
25.
Okay, Arna says
There will
25.
be 10. 10.
Okay, Aditya. 10. Very good. Let's see.
Actually 10.
Okay, we have some answers 25, 15, and 10. Tanishka, what is your answer?
Mama answers my 6.
6. Tanishka says 6. Okay. Achyut, what is your answer? Achyut, do you want to answer?
Ma'am, my answer is ma'am.
Yes. 6. Okay. Achyut says 6. Samaira, what is your answer?
15.
15. Okay. Mugdha, what is your answer?
10.
10. Okay. Viraj?
I'm 25.
25. Riya,
Ma'am,
what is your answer?
ma'am, my new answer is
My
20.
answer is 15.
Okay.
Ma'am, my answer is 20.
Okay.
My
20.
answer is 15.
15. Okay. Great. Mishka, what is your answer?
Answer is 10.
Okay. All those who have answered once, okay, they can be on mute. Yes, Arna?
My answer is also 10.
Okay. Mishka, what is your answer?
Ma'am, my answer is 10.
10. Okay. Divisha, what is your answer?
Ma'am, 15.
15. Vihan, what is your answer? Vihan, do you want to answer? Can you hear him? Vihan, we can't hear you. Okay. Anyways, so we have some answers here. 10, 6, 15, 20 and 25. We have got 5 answers. Now I want all of you to please look carefully at the screen. Simran ma'am is going to find the answer and then everyone can check whether their answer was correct or not. Okay. And now we are not going to shout. Okay. Otherwise we can't hear each other. Yes, Simran ma'am.
Yes, just a second.
Sure.
Kid A, Kid B, Kid C, Kid D, and Kid E. So we will start with Kid A now. Kid A with Kid B.
Or you can just write AB. Maybe that will be a quicker process. Okay.
Yeah. Kid A with Kid B, Kid A with Kid C, Kid A with D, A with E. Then we will move to B. Is it possible? Can I write Kid B with A?
No.
No.
We have already
I
covered
cannot
that.
write B with B also. So I'll write Kid B with Kid C, Kid B with Kid D, Kid B with Kid E. Then we are moving to C. C with A. Is it possible? I can't write C with A. So move to C with B, C with E. Then D with E. Is there any other way also?
D, E, and this will be all.
No more.
Yes. I have completed all the combinations. So there are 10 combinations. Okay.
Yes, that was correct.
The answer was 10. Right.
Okay, so all those who had their answers
I
to be
actually
10.
had figured out the way to get it very easily.
Yes. We
If
thought-
you look back over there were 3 kids and there were 6 combinations. So I figured out if I have to double the amount of
Multiply.
I have to
Multiply
multiply by 2 and I'll get the exact correct answer.
they have already figured out the multiplication way.
Yes.
Very good. We have pattern ways to do it, multiplication ways, or you can write all the combinations. Okay. We are going to tell you one more way, but if everyone is going to be listening to this very carefully. Ayana, Hannah are very busy talking to each other. Okay. I am going to share my screen now, but before that, there is a lock that needs a key. Okay. And the lock can be opened at 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So can you tell me how many ways are there to open the lock?
10.
10. Very good. There are 10 digits and 10 ways to open the lock. Okay. Can we all agree on this? Thumbs up or thumbs down? Thumbs up. Okay. Now I add a very interesting twist to this. Okay, this is going to be a little interesting. Oh, Divyanshu says thumbs down. Yes, Divyanshu, why thumbs down?
I don't think it's 10.
It's not 10. Then what is the answer according to you?
I think it's 81.
81. How? There is only one lock and one number can fit in.
I think of adding 10 minus 9, 10 minus 1, 9, and then 9 plus 8 plus 7 plus 6 plus 5 plus 4.
No. We don't have to add.
Oh, sorry, 45. Sorry, 45.
45. Okay, so you think the answer is 45. Okay, Divyanshu, now let's see. I am taking this. Okay, now this might be a funny, but let's say this is the lock of my phone and this is the key. Okay, this is the number key. It can be a 0, it can be 1, 2, or any of the 1 digit. Okay, so there are 10 digits. We agree on this: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So either it will open at 0 or 1 or 2 or 3 or 4, like this. Okay, so there are 10 digits, so 10 possible ways. Is that okay, Divyanshu? Okay, now Divyanshu has got shown a thumbs up. Now we can move ahead. Thank you. Chalo, अब हम आगे बढ़ते हैं. The interesting twist is now I put a 2-number lock, okay, 2-digit lock to it, okay, and my choices are some of the ways. Let me just share my screen. Okay, let's move ahead. So here is the 1-number lock. Now what I do is I put 2-number locks to it, okay, and how I do that is I have some of the choices here. The number lock can have only 3 digits, 1, 2, or 3. There can only be these 3 digits in the combinations, and there are 2 places in the combinations. It can be a 2-digit number, okay. So my first guess was 1, 2. Okay, 1, 2 is one possible combination. The other possible combination can be 1 and 1. Okay, oops, 1 and 1. Okay, can anyone tell me one more combination? Just one more combination. Guess, Alia.
23. 23.
One by one.
2, 3, 6, 2, 1, 6, 7.
And 30.
23. 22. 23.
23, 22, 21, 13, very good. 22,
33.
33, 33.
11.
One by one, please.
33.
33. 13.
Can we all stop shouting? Because I can't hear anyone. I have written down. Yes.
33. 31.
Oh, 31 is missing. Thanks. Yes.
14.
14 is not possible because number
33.
is not there. 33 is I've written.
You repeated 22.
23.
Ma'am.
33.
Yes, I've written 33. Let me just.
You repeated 12 and 22.
I've repeated 22. Oh, yes. Thanks. And 12 I've repeated. Yes. So
32.
32 I've written already. So we can do it in a systematic order, okay? What I would have done was I would have paired up number 1 with all the combinations. 1, 1, 1, 2, and 1, 3. There are 3 possible combinations if 1 is the first number. Second combination is 2, 1, 2, 2, and 2, 3. I've written down already the 6 combinations, okay? Now what I'm going to do is in the last step, I'm going to put 3, 1, 3, 2, and 3, 3. Is that right? Okay, I have covered down all the combinations. So when we have 3 digits for a 2 number lock, so we have 9 possible combinations. Okay. Now, what if I tell you that I can choose from 4 digits? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Don't tell me all the combinations. Just tell me how many total combinations are possible. Total number of possible combinations.
Ma'am, 12.
Okay, we have some answers. I'm going to write all the answers. 12 and
10.
10 and
12.
12. Okay, 12 I've already written. Any other combination?
Ma'am, once again, I'm just finding out.
Yes, sure. Take your time. Can all of us be on mute if we are not seeing the answers so that we don't have any disturbance? Thank you. 12 and 10 are the two answers as of now.
Ma'am and Divisha, it's 16.
Okay, Divisha says it is 16. Okay, any other answers? I'm just going to give one more minute.
Ma'am, the answer is 16.
Okay, the answer is 16.
I'm 16.
16, any other combination?
16.
16, any other combinations?
13.
13, 13, 12, okay.
14.
14, any other? 16, okay.
I'm 16.
16,
Actually, 16 is correct.
16 is correct.
16.
Okay, let's move ahead. So we have some combinations. Simran ma'am, can you write the combinations because my annotator is not working actually.
Yeah, just a second. 12, 10, 16. Someone was saying 13 and 14 also, right?
Yes,
Is it a combination also?
yes.
What is the other number?
Any other possible combinations?
No, ma'am.
Okay, okay. So, so all the possible combinations are, I'm just going to stop sharing my screen. Can all of you see my screen?
Ma'am,
Yes?
I took 13.
Okay, you took 13.
It's already there.
Okay,
Ma'am, I took 16. I changed it actually.
you took 16. Okay,
Ma'am, I took 16.
okay,
Ma'am, I took 16.
okay, okay. So we have some combinations. Total combinations will be 16. Why so? Because we have 4 digits. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. So I'm going to pair number 1 with all the numbers. 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, and 1, 4. Okay. Let's come to the next combination. 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4. Okay. So all the numbers have 4 possible combinations with each other. And 4 times 4 is, we know the answer is 16. Okay. So all those who said the answer was 16, they are correct. Big thumbs up to all of them. Okay. And I am going to clap for everyone because everyone tried really well. Okay. Now, can we have the next slide, please? Simran ma'am, can you share the next slide?
Ma'am, actually, you are sharing the screen right now.
Actually, my screen is not working. So maybe you'll have to share. Can you try?
I can't share it.
Okay. Okay, let me just see if it is possible. I want all of you to try if it is possible with 5 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or how many total combinations will be there?
Ma'am, can I get the answer?
If everyone knows the answer, just raise your hand. We will come to you in 1 minute, okay? I'm going to wait for everyone.
Ma'am, I didn't understand.
Okay, Alia, so what happened is, I have 5 digits to choose from. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. Now, the number lock is only 2 digits. Okay. So, you have to tell me all the possible combinations. Like we did it for 4 digits and 2 digits, 3 digits. Okay. So, can we try? 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, and 1, 5. I've paired 1 with all the numbers.
Ma'am, I'm Divisha. I know the answer.
Yes, Divisha?
Ma'am, it's 25.
25. 25?
Ma'am, it's 25.
Okay,
Ma'am,
Divisha,
25 is the right correct answer.
I'm 25.
25.
25.
25. Very good. Very good. Okay. So we have answer to be 25. Anyone else wants to try with a different answer? Viraj? Arna?
Ma'am,
Yes?
I'm trying.
Yes.
I'm trying.
Okay. We shall wait for you. Okay. And then we come to the next activity. This is my favorite activity. I have been waiting for this. Yes.
Ma'am, what is the activity?
That is a surprise. We have to make someone ready for their vacation. They are going on a trip, so we have to make someone ready. Divisha is very excited about it. I can see the happiness.
Ma'am, 21.
21. Who said that?
Ma'am, Mishka.
Mishka. Mishka, can you tell me all the combinations? 21 ke liye?
Ma'am, 11, 12, 13, 14, 21, 22, 23, 24, 31, 32. Ma'am, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 51, 52, 53, 54, and 55.
So, total is?
Ma'am, 23. I got 23.
I think you missed out on 2 combinations. Can you try again?
I think Mishka.
Ma'am, he's not understood the concept.
Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Neil hasn't understood the concept well, and Dusra we were in the car, but now we are stationed properly.
Okay, no
Now
issue.
we've reached.
Okay, I'll share my screen again. Neil, I will tell you how to do it. Okay, let's do it one more time for Neil.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So, Simran ma'am, can you write all the combinations?
So total there were 5 numbers, right? It was 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So I'll start with number 1. So 1 and 1, 1 and 2. I'll write it there only. 1 and 2, 1 and 3, 1, 4, 1, 5.
Okay.
Now
We are taking 2 numbers at a time, Neil, because there is only 2 locks in the key. Okay, so there are 2 locks. Yes.
Yes. So 25.
I didn't understand.
Yes, the Simran ma'am is explaining.
Yes, suppose we had these 5 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We had to make combinations of 2 numbers. So here we are starting with number 1. Suppose I take number 1. So I'll make combination with number 1 with 1, 1 with 2, 1 with 3, 1, 4, and 1, 5. So now we will move to the next number, which was 2. So we are making the combinations with 2 now. 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, and 2, 5. Now 2 is completed. Now we'll move to number 3, digit 3. So 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, and 3, 5. Next is 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5. And the last one is 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4, and 5, 5. So we can see total combinations are 25 in number. Is it clear now, Neil?
There was a 2 number lock. We could choose only 2 numbers from the 5 digits. Okay, so we made all the combinations to try. We could try with number 11, 12, 13, and all the combinations Simran ma'am has written. On the book.
It's 225 or 522.
What?
It's 225. It's 225 or.
So there are only 2
or
numbers in the
522.
lock, Advitya. Only 2 numbers, not 3 numbers.
Then it's 5 or 2. Then it's 52 or 22.
So 22 and 52 are 2 different numbers. 52 and 25 are 2 different numbers for the log. Okay, 52 and 25 cannot replace each other this time. Okay, is that okay? Can we move ahead? Anyone has any doubts?
I didn't understand how the answer will come 25.
Okay, the answer is 25. Alia, can you count all the combinations for us on the screen? There are so many combinations on the screen. Can you count?
And so 12, 13, 14, 15, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55.
Yes. So there are 5 combinations in one row, right? So 5 times 5 is, Alia, how much?
25.
25. So we have 25 combinations, okay?
Count also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15 and so on. So we'll get 25 as the answer.
Ma'am, this is easy. Like if we do it with 6, so with 6 we have to multiply it with 5, we get the answer 30. And then with 7, we multiply it by 5, we get the answer 35.
Sahir, you are going on the correct line, but can I suggest you something?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Sahir, what we did was when we're doing it with 3 numbers, we got 9 combinations. That means 3 times 3 is 9. When we did it with 4 numbers, we got 16 combinations.
Oh, yes, ma'am. Ma'am, so if we do it with 6, so we'll get 36.
Very good. Absolutely correct. Okay.
Like that.
Very good. Okay. Can we move ahead now? I am very excited. Sorry, I'm being too impatient.
Okay.
Okay.
Slide is this one. Here we have a Bobby bear and we have to choose its outfit, okay? Because he's going on a vacation and he is not able to understand what should it wear. So here we have yellow and green t-shirts and there are 2 colored pants, blue pant and okay. So what will happen here? Can anyone tell me how can we make its combinations one by one?
Want to say something?
Mama,
Ma'am, we can make
Mama, it can be 4 combinations.
Okay.
Ma'am, you can combination the opposite. Ma'am, you can make 4 combinations because ma'am, if we do with yellow, yellow and blue can match, yellow and blue. Then ma'am, green and red. And ma'am, the red and yellow. And then ma'am, the green and blue.
Have we covered all the combinations? I think so we have. Yes.
Yes, ma'am, because we can't wear both the t-shirts.
Yes. He can't wear both t-shirts at the same time or both the pants at the same time. Sahir is absolutely correct. So we have 4 possible combinations, okay? Now what we are going to do is we are going to give everyone a different question, okay? And everyone has to find the answers, okay? Let's give them different questions. Simran ma'am, can we do that? Okay. So first row I have Tanvi, Arihant, Advitya and Arna. Okay. You have 3 shirts and 3 pants to decide from. Okay. So find all the possible combination. 3 shirts and 3 pants. This is for Tanvi, Arihant, Advitya and Arna. Okay. Now Tanishka.
Ma'am,
Yes.
can you repeat the question?
Yes. Okay. So the question is, okay. Sure. Does everyone want to do the same question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay, Tanishka says a yes. Okay, so we should start with the same question, okay? 3 pants and 3 shirts to decide from. How many total possible combinations? 3 pants and 3 shirts. Total possible combinations.
9 combinations.
Okay.
9.
Okay, okay, Ayan and Sahir, but I can't see your video. Please switch on that. 9
Nine.
combinations. We have one answer to be 9. Anyone else? Alia?
Ma'am, the answer is 9.
Okay.
Ma'am, answer is 9. Ma'am, the
Nine.
answer is 9.
Okay. Should we add an interesting twist to it?
Ma'am, the answer is 9.
Very good. Everyone says the answer is 9. I think so everyone says. And 9 is the correct answer. Okay. 3 pants and 3 t-shirts. 9 possible combinations are there. Okay. I'm going to add an interesting twist to this one. Okay. Simran ma'am, can you tell us the twist?
Yeah, okay. So now I am going to share a screen with you. Okay. I'll copy I'll send you the link in chat. Okay. Apurva ma'am will send it and I'll explain you how we'll play this game. So this is the game. We have a Bobby bear here. First, you have to click on customize. Okay, this is the customize option. You will click on it. Number of pens should be 4 and number of shirts should also be 4. Okay, then you have to click on OK. Here you will get 4 pants and 4 shirts. You have to make the combinations now. Like
Help
yellow,
Bobby Bear make as many different outfits as you can.
yellow and green, yellow and blue, and so on. So you have to make all the combinations and then you have to write how many outfits you can make. You can write the number of outfits you made. Okay. So now Apurva ma'am has shared the link. All of you have to open it. Just open that link, click on it, and then this game will open on your screen.
Yeah.
I think this is also gonna be my favorite game.
It was our favorite also. So we have shared the link in the chat. You can click on the link. It will open in the other tab. Otherwise, you can select it. Okay. If you need any help, we can help you. Ma'am, how many combinations have you given them?
4 and 4.
4 and 4. Okay. You have to make all the combinations, please. And we have a surprise activity for you at the end. If we are able to do it on time, we can do that.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
When I go to the link, then it comes like It comes like it doesn't go to the game.
It doesn't go to the game. Can you try again? Go to the chat and try again with the link. Otherwise, Simran ma'am can do it for you on the board. Is that okay? I think she would be needing help with the flash player. Maybe.
Yeah, maybe. Alia, if you want me to do it, I can also do it for you.
Just tell her the combinations if it's not opening, okay? We are going to share more links like this with all of you.
It's coming like you have to log in or like that.
Okay, okay. Maybe we can see to that later. Okay, we will see what the problem is. Simran ma'am can try it for you. We will share all these links with you on the email. Okay, so you can try all these links. Yes. Alia, go ahead. Please tell your combinations.
You can tell the combinations to me. I'll show it here.
Ma'am, I'm Divisha, I'm done.
Okay, Divisha, can we wait for 1 more minute? We'll try it for Alia. Okay.
Yes, Alia.
The yellow shirt and the green shorts.
Green shirt and yellow pants. Are you saying this?
Yes.
Okay, next one.
Then red shorts and blue shirt.
Okay, blue shirt and this one, I guess.
Yeah, Alia, on the top we have shorts and on the bottom we have shorts. Okay.
Okay. The blue shirt and the yellow shorts.
Okay, done.
The orange shirt and the yellow shorts. The purple.
Got the answer and it's saying that it's correct.
The purple shirt and the yellow shorts.
Okay, purple and yellow.
Anna, just
See
wait.
the answer?
Sahid, we are just waiting it for Alia. Okay, Simran ma'am is doing.
Ma'am, in your personal chat.
Yes, you can share that.
Ma'am, but you have disabled the participants.
I will enable.
Yes, Alia. Next combination.
Then it will be the red shorts and the green shirt.
Okay, done.
Then the red shorts and the orange shirt.
Done.
Then the green shorts and the purple shirt.
Divisha.
Actually, एक बार मेरा फोन लाके देना.
And the red shorts and the purple shirt.
Okay, red shorts and the purple shirt.
Ma'am. Then the green shorts and the blue shirt.
Anna, I will come to you in 1 minute. Okay, we are almost done. I think it's not opening in your phone as well, right?
Then the green shorts and the orange shirt. Then the green shorts and the purple shirt.
Okay. I think it's already done. It
No,
was already
there
there.
are
The
some.
blues are left.
Purple is done. Blue is done. Orange is done. Green was left.
Okay. Any other combinations?
Ma'am,
Arya?
there's one more combination.
Yes.
Ma'am, a blue shirt and blue shorts.
Okay.
Blue shirt and blue shorts.
Red. No. Ma'am, there are more.
Yes, ma'am, there are more.
3 more.
Blue shorts and green shirt.
Ma'am have done.
And blue
And
shorts.
these are square numbers. And these are square numbers.
Yes. These are square numbers.
Myra, what's next? Which shirt?
Orange t-shirt.
Orange. Okay. One more.
With purple, orange, blue shorts and purple.
And purple.
Okay, Mishka.
So that means total there were 16 combinations. Let me-
But ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, when I opened my link, there were only like I had only blue shorts and blue shorts and blue t-shirt and green shorts and green shirt.
So you can customize it from the top option. So, ma'am, can you show
The
it?
trick behind it.
This is the customize option. When you click on it, here you can select on your own choice how many number of pants you want and how many shirts you want. Then you have to click on OK and you will get that.
Ma'am, can you give one customize and now 4? Ma'am, can I tell you a trick?
Okay.
Okay. 4 pants.
Yes, ma'am, 4 pants and 4 t-shirts.
Okay, done.
And ma'am, with that, if you take like the blue one with blue, then with green, then with orange, then with purple.
So he's
Okay.
saying to
Then
repeat
blue
all the
one with
combinations.
green.
Yes.
Then the blue one with orange.
Okay.
Blue one with green and blue one with orange. Then blue one with purple. Then if you start with green with green, then green with blue, then green with purple, then green with orange, then red with blue, red with green, red with purple, red with orange, yellow with orange, yellow with green, yellow with purple, yellow with blue.
Very good. Very
Now
good.
you will start one by one.
Yes, one by one. And Sahir, I want to show you what you said by showing it to everyone. Can I do that? Sahir has
Yes,
shown us a very interesting way. Okay, let me do that for everyone. I am going to share my whiteboard. Let's do it here. Okay. Sahir, thank you so much. Okay, I start with, we had 4 colors of pants. Okay. What was the first color of the pants? Can anyone tell me?
Orange, purple, green, yellow. Orange,
Purple, blue,
orange, yellow.
Orange and green.
orange and green. I'm writing the pants, not the t-shirts.
Oh.
Purple, blue, orange and green. Okay, let's say these are 4 colors. And then we had 4 shirts. Okay, so I'm going to make 4 combinations. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And you can choose any color of shirt you want to. Okay, purple with 1, 2, 3, 4. Then again blue with
4 into 4, that is equal to 16.
very good, very good. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to do same with orange, same with green. And we have 16 combinations for Mr. Bobby Bear, who is going to be on a vacation. Okay. So what is this called? When we make pairs like this, we call it tree diagram because it has a stem and it has a root. Okay. Bobby Bear has 16 outfits to decide from. Okay. Now, I hope everyone is clear till here. We have just one surprise left for everyone. Can we do that one surprise? Okay. I know that everyone is not able to go outside these days. Okay. But we wanted all of you to try making your own happy meal with us. Okay. So we will have some combinations. We will give you some food items and you have to make all the possible combinations of Happy Meals for yourself. Okay, can we try? I will share my screen. Everyone ready? Once you have done making all the combinations, you can tell it to me in the chat also. Okay, let me share my screen.
I did the five one. I did five shirts and the 4 shirts. It just went by the 5 table.
Yes, yes. Okay, so you can make your own shake. Now we have the Happy Meal combination. Okay, I will tell you the rules. You can decide from one thing. You can choose either a pizza or a burger. Then you can choose either fries or packet of chips. Or then you can choose watermelon juice or mango juice. Okay, you can choose only 3 things in your meal and you have to make all the possible combinations. I'm giving 3 minutes to everyone. Please make all the possible combinations. I'm also making my Happy Meal.
I didn't get what to do.
Okay, so should I explain it to you on the board, Alia? Okay, let's say I start with my favorite is a pizza. Okay, I have 2 options, pizza and burger, to choose from. Okay, now I can pair up my pizza. Who is writing on my board? Please don't do that. I have 2 options to choose from. Okay, with pizza I can go for chips. I'm writing C for chips, or I can go for fries. Okay, now move ahead for the drinks. Okay, I can choose either the watermelon juice or the mango juice. Okay, but if I go with fries, same, I can choose watermelon juice and the mango juice. Is that clear, Alia? Yes or no? I don't think so.
Ma'am, someone's drawing on the board.
Yes, I know. I will just disable the option.
Ma'am, there's a lot of scribbling.
I've erased that. Okay, so we have some answers in the chat. Arihant says the answer is 24. Okay.
Ma'am, I didn't understand what to do.
Okay, so what
Yes,
we have to
ma'am.
do is we have to make our own Happy Meal with pizza or burger. Okay, so I have made 3 pairs here. Okay, pizza and burger, you can choose one. Fries or chips, you can choose one. Watermelon juice or mango juice, you can choose one. Okay, let's say my first possible combination is I decide to go with pizza. Okay, with pizza I wanted to take packet of chips and then I went with watermelon juice. Okay, so my first combination is this one, pizza, chips and watermelon juice. Okay, then I come to my next combination. I decided to go with pizza, chips and mango juice. So I have made 2 combinations here. Okay, 1 and then 2, number 2. Okay, now I change my path. I decide to go with pizza in the first place, but I choose fries in the second place. Pizza, fries and watermelon juice, that is the third combination. Then 4th combination is pizza, fries and mango juice. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3 and 4 possible combinations. Is that clear till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we have made 4 possible combinations. Now I always went with pizza, but my sister says I want to go with burger only. Okay, so I go with burger. I choose a packet of chips and then I go with watermelon juice. Okay, then my brother says burger, packet of fries and then mango juice. That means I have 2 more combinations, number 5 and number 6. Okay, then yes,
Ma'am, the answer is 24.
24. Okay, how? Okay, Divyanshu says 8.
The answer.
Ma'am, it's 8.
Ma'am, 8 is the answer.
Okay, okay. We have so many answers here. Let's hear.
Ma'am, I'll tell you how.
Okay, Divyanshu, yes, tell us.
So, ma'am, when we were taking with pizza, then we got 4. But then after that, there is also burgers left. So then 4, even there will be 4 combinations with burgers. Then that's why there are 8.
Very good. 4 possible combinations with pizza, 4 possible combinations with burgers. Okay, so 8 is the correct answer. Now I think some people have said different answers. Samaira, you said something else. Do you want to share your combinations?
No, ma'am.
Oh, but yes.
Nothing.
Ayana, okay, Ayana Han says 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. Okay, so we can say 4 times 2 is 8. Anyone else with a different answer? Okay, so whenever next time you go out to eat, you can design your own happy meal and tell your parents we have so many possible combinations to choose from. Okay, now questions like this are also going to come in the problem solving event. Okay, questions like this, there might be different questions, there might be more interesting questions. Okay, so anyone has any questions related to this entire class? Tanishka wants to say something. Tanishka, do you want to say something? She does not want to say anything. Anyone else? Okay, so I'm going to meet all of you on next Saturday. Simran ma'am and I are going to be here. If anyone has any doubts, they can talk to us later also. Okay, you can talk.
I was about to ask when is the next class, but you just answered it.
Then the next class is on Saturday. Next Saturday. I will tell you what it is about.
Ma'am, is it the same link or will we be joining with another link?
Same link, same link.
Okay.
Ma'am, what is the time?
12:30 to 1:30.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, which link you give us? I make only 14 pair of the pants and the t-shirts.
14 pairs. Tanishka,
Yes.
maybe there are 2 more pairs possible. Can you try?
Yes, I tried many times, but I couldn't make any more.
Okay, so can you send us a picture? We will help you with that. Can you send
Okay,
us?
ma'am. Bye.
Send you.
Bye bye.
Bye. Thank you.